Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to change brake fluid Tesla Model 3. Begin by parking on level ground and engaging the parking brake, then disconnect the 12V and follow safety steps. Remove wheel covers and lift the car with a jack and jack stands, then clean the reservoir cap area to prevent contamination. Prepare a drain container and clear hose for bleeding, ensuring you have fresh DOT3 or DOT4 fluid ready. Remove the reservoir cap and extract as much old fluid as possible with a syringe to reduce mess and contamination. Start bleeding at the caliper furthest from the master cylinder, attach a clear hose, and have an assistant press the brake pedal slowly while you open and close the bleed screw. Monitor the reservoir and top up often to keep the master cylinder from running dry, and repeat until clear fluid flows. If you're finding this guide useful, please subscribe and like to support more Tesla DIY content. Quick recommendation: The Simple Path to Wealth is a great read to rethink money and save for repairs and upgrades, and it pairs well with practical projects like brake service. Check the description for the link and other deals. Consider grabbing the book if you want smarter savings, and now let's get back to the video. After bleeding all 4 calipers and confirming clear fluid, tighten each bleed screw securely and clean any spills that could damage paint. Reinstall wheels, lower the car, and torque lug nuts to spec before a slow test drive in a safe area. Check pedal feel. It should be firm with no sponginess, and recheck the reservoir level after a short drive, topping up if necessary to maintain proper braking performance.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.